Welcome to my vlog. Today is Saturday. I am currently getting ready because I am going to Ikea. I saw this thing on TikTok that I really want to do for our living room, so come get ready with me, I guess. So here is my outfit of the day. My jacket is from Abercrombie. My pants are Abercrombie. My top is Zara. My shoes are New Balance, and my bag is Marc Jacobs. We're on our way to Ikea. Well, first we're actually gonna go grab boba because I was craving it. Hopefully they have the things that I'm looking for. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so this was the reason why I went to Ikea, is to buy these candles and this vase so that I can put them together and put them by our fireplace. Ooh, period. I finally saw it, guys. I couldn't say that for the longest. Now we are at Korean barbecue. We're at the Kui for dinner, and I'm excited because I'm so hungry. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I am currently getting ready to go to Cyclebar this morning. It is 8:30 right now. My class doesn't start till 9:15 and it's only 5 minutes away, so I have plenty of time. Today my plans consist of cycling, Philz coffee, grocery shopping, cleaning up the apartment, and that's basically it. From the Italian store. We wanted to eat there, but there were no seats, so we got a slice of pizza. Let me see. Thank you. We have pepperoni, and then this one looked really good. It was like a mushroom, I believe. Yeah, it was mushroom. Oh my god, look how good it looked. And then Michael got a chicken parm. I'm gonna open it.
It's good. Want to taste?
No. Do you plant them? Yeah, I just haven't had a chance to meet.
Bag, as usual, by Marc Jacobs, Aritzia, Abercrombie, and my Uggs. That's all. And Michael's filming me because, yeah. We're on our way to Philz Coffee. It's our favorite coffee shop here, and it's sadly closing February 12th. And you know what I notice about when I talk? Like, I always sound like I'm ending everything with a question. Like, girl, you are going to Philz. Like, are we going to? Yes, you're going, bitch. Like. Okay, so we are currently in Adams Morgan. We have some Philz. We're gonna walk around around DC. Okay, bye.